Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, and today, again, happy Monday. Super excited about this model right in front of you guys. It is the United 737-800 in a Star Wars livery, the Rise of Skywalker. NG Models finally released this aircraft. Despite the real aircraft, this registration being repainted to that new Evo Blue livery, this aircraft flew around for quite some time and was quite iconic in the skies across the North America region. It was a thrill for planeswalkers to catch, for people to fly on. An incredible model or incredible aircraft, incredible paint scheme that United did. And, it's sad that it's gone, but we have a model of it here now. So let's get right into it. NG Models, thank you for releasing this, even if it's a little late. Nonetheless, this is incredible. So let's get right into it. First off, here's the box. Amazing box art by NG. It's interesting though that it only represents the light side. The box doesn't have the flip, so this aircraft has two sides, light side and dark side, representing the Resistance and the First Order. The two main sides of battle. So, well, it's interesting because, as I say, they only show the light side, the blue side on this. So, let's go ahead and open this up and take a look and see what we got on the inside. Super excited to have this model. It does come with a little card, so I'm gonna put that to the side. Here you have the model. So here's the blue side, and here's the red side. Looking really, really good. I'm super excited. As I say, it's sad that this has been repainted. Interestingly enough, though, Alaska Airlines has gone ahead and done a Star Wars paint scheme using that all black scheme and whatnot. So it'll be interesting to see if that gets released here a little bit as a model. But here we have it. Wow. Absolutely spectacular. Oh my goodness. Wow. Damn, this is nice. Alright. NG Models outdoing themselves. So here we have it. Let's just zoom out a little bit and just show you. So there's the light side. And then here's the dark side. Wow. Absolutely incredible. Really, really nice. So let's zoom in here. We got some nice, there we go. Some nice detail around the cockpit there. Radome. Got the gear door looking really nice. A little writing on it. Nose gear looking perfect. Nice, just right. Got that L1 door. Got some X-Wing fighters here. United titles. All the stars and everything. Beautiful. The engine's looking really nice. Just right. Mounted perfectly. Got the antennas on the top. Moving along, you got the overwing exit markings on the wing there too, and the little doors. Got the Wi-Fi and box right there. More antennas. Got the little red ones on the bottom, looking really, really nice. Got the light blue splits. Very, very nice. Star Wars Rise of Skywalker, November 36272. American flag right there, and then you have the blue lightsaber on this side. And then, so this is the light side, so now we're going to switch it over to the dark side. And we have the red lightsaber on this side. Again, the Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. Got the red splits on this side, the red United titles, and then you have all the I forget which fighters, what these are called. I'm so sorry, but yeah. So we got them on this side here, looking really cool. Very, very nice. So incredible job, incredible model. Got the little red beacon there. There is the baggage door on this somewhere. I can't really see where it is actually. Oh, I see. Yeah, looking up close, it is hard to see, right? But it is right around here, and then right around here. So, yeah, very, very nice model. Incredible job by NG, you know, representing this livery. And just, you know, awesome job by United for putting this out here for so long and having it flying around for so long. It is unfortunate that it was repainted, but I guess all good things must come to an end, and I'm sure there's going to be more special liveries in the future. But yeah, this is just incredible. I'm going to leave it on the blue side to end things off. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this another short unboxing video, but you know, it's incredible that they went to the great lengths of doing such a special paint like this. You know, it's incredible to see what they can do and everything. So yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more model unboxing videos every Monday, and take care, everybody. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.